MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. Here's a look at a 1997 Kenworth W900. It's for sale at MHC Denver, a 460 horsepower, 18-speed non-sleeper. This comes from an excellent fleet program. It's ready to get back to work. It sits at 1,097,000 miles with 12K fronts and 40K rears. You've got a 250-inch wheelbase with a 3.90 rear ratio. This truck comes equipped with a headache rack, your tires, 24/5 standards all around, cleaned up for you. You've got dual 120-gallon fuel tanks. Under the hood, a Cummins N14 with the fuller 18-speed transmission. The interior looks fantastic for the age of this truck, and the dash shines. If you want this truck, a 1997 Kenworth W900, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.